eating into him already. They flick it around turn 5, and then they'll head around into turn 6, flicking it left onto the back straight. And you can still see there the awesome Bastianini in a comfortable third place. It looks like he's not going to be able to get himself into this victory battle, although he's just in the exact same lap time pretty much as your race leader. Was a couple of tenths quicker than the Italian ahead of him. Previous lap, he's still not close enough though as yet to show Bagnaia's front wheel. This has been a class ride from both of these guys, but Quartararo, you know, he can set up a second. 48 points is a huge gap to take into Austin, but he's not good enough. He said, I'm going to push. I'll do everything I can to go for victory. I won't push beyond my limits. We're in for a thrilling end. Echo was impervious to the pressure from Marquez last weekend. And Fabio Quartararo, he's going to go all in, isn't he? Yesterday he said it was pole or nothing in Q2. He's going to take the big risk here to try to take more points away from Pecco Bagnaia. This is the battle now for 4th place. Jack Miller's really struggled over the last 6 or 7 laps. He got through it. He's doing now, the Australian. Another 2 tenths quicker. Fabio Quartararo was that time around. And Pecco Bagnaia, there are just 2 laps remaining here. Pecco Bagnaia trying to hold on for a famous victory. For him and the captain. Well, it would be a monumental win for Pecco Bagnaia. A monumental win for Fabio Quartararo. Who is going to prevail here on the Adriatic coast? Bagnaia, so working hard on that soft rear tyre. Get the power down as quick as you can. Coming out of turn 6, Quartararo. There's no way he's going to attack into turn 8. Not close enough. Quartararo's definitely got the better grip in terms of acceleration. He's not losing sight to Pecco Bagnaia. We head around to turns 9 and 10. Quartararo, can he get close enough to make the move into turn 14 on this lap, or does he have to leave it all for the final lap of the race? It's one of the hardest jobs in MotoGP, finding a way to pass a factory Ducati. That's the conundrum facing Fabio Quartararo. 1 lap and a couple of corners remaining here. Down into turn 14 for the penultimate time they come towards. Quartararo will not be close enough to attack, although he does have some time on the brakes. You'll see the Ducati though. We're coming up now to the final corner. Fabio Quartararo then now into the first corner on the brakes. He's a bit close enough. It's all on the last lap nail biter again here in Misano. He's not close enough into turn 2 either. Can he now line up anything into turn 4? He flicks it right around 3. This is your first big opportunity here for the Frenchman. They head up towards turn 4. He's not going to make his move here. You can see how hard Quartararo was trying there. And Yamaha tried to step out from underneath it coming out of turn 3. Ducati defending here friendly from Pecco Bagnaia. They sweep through turn 6, and it will still be Bagnaia's got 4 or 5 cyclists as they now go to the kick turn 7 on the brakes into turn 8. Quartararo still not close enough. Anything left for him here? Can he get close enough for a move into turn 9? I don't think there's going to be a chance here. It's all going to come down to turn 14. Getting the speed out of this corner is crucial for Quartararo. Can he use the corner speed of the Yamaha? Can he use that slightly better grip of that medium rear tyre to find a way through? Bagnaia has done a perfect exit on turn 10. Got the power down perfectly. Quartararo struggling here to go with the attack. It looks like Pecco Bagnaia may well have this covered. They attack down into turn 14. Quartararo's too far back. It looks like it's all done and dusted. What a defensive display from Ducati and Pecco Bagnaia. What a brave effort from Fabio Quartararo, but he's not close enough. There's only 1 corner left, and it's going to happen again. It's going to be the double. Pecco Bagnaia under intense pressure. The checker flag comes out. It's back-to-back wins from Ducati team and Pecco Bagnaia. Bagnaia breaks in Misano, masterclass from him. What about that man? Another Bastianini. Fabio Quartararo also Bastianini. Third place, his first podium in the MotoGP World Championship. What a ride by the rookie.